beauties, it's your girl Red coming to you with a Dollar Tree haul. Haven't done one in quite a while, so let's jump right into it. I actually went to get more springy stuff, but I saw more Easter stuff now, so I didn't find the trucks that I was looking for. I don't know if my stores haven't put them out yet, or if I missed them, so it's okay. But I did find this truck sign, and it says let's go hunt for eggs. And I won't be putting this outside because it's very bendable, and I think once this gets wet it won't work outside. So I did think this was cute though, so I will do something with this, not sure yet. So I did get that. Also, I know I haven't been here to do videos in a while, but if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. That will really help me out a lot. And I did get this bag. It's just a, how many come in here? It comes with 20 treat bags. And I thought these were cute. Only comes with 20, but I like them. And I'm not sure if because I had went before and I picked up some items, but I don't think I did a haul on them. I'm really not sure, so if you see my last haul and you see some repeat items, then I'm sorry. But I got this big pink decor egg to put on my tiered tray that I will do for Easter. I've already started decorating for spring, but not Easter yet. So I just picked up a few things, and it has a hanging thing on it, but I'm not going to use that part. I'm just going to lay it on the tiered tray. So I got that. And you're going to hear me rambling in some bags. Okay, I picked up went ahead and picked up some Easter eggs, and this has 10 in it. This light is probably too bright. Maybe that's better. Okay. These are the glitter eggs. Got those. And I got these last year as well, but we do like an Easter egg hunt for the kids, so I let them have them all. I put candy, different things in them. So, and these come with 18, and these are the it says golden egg hunt kit, so it only comes with one golden egg in it, and some of them have holes in them and some of them don't. So these are just different eggs. Just different colors, but it's only one golden one. I guess the golden one is supposed to be the special egg. And I picked up this. I think this was so cute. It's a paperweight, but I'm gonna use it in my bathroom. I think I'm gonna leave it like it is. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna use it, I think, in my bathroom window, or I haven't decided yet, but I thought it was cute. They had so many different colors, so I picked that up. And I'm not going in any particular order. I'm just picking stuff out the bags. But I did get different candies for my niece and nephew's Easter baskets. There's 3 of them, 2 boys and 1 girl. So I got them. I don't know if they'll like some of these candies, but I got them anyway. They very picky. They don't eat chocolate, so I got stuff that wasn't chocolate. Got them one of these. Ugh. Troll gummy bunnies. I did not get the same stuff, so they won't have all the same stuff in the thingies. So I'll be right back. Okay. Have to get 2 more things. And I got the 2 oldest kids. One is 4 and one is 2. The baby, he's just now finna turn 1, so I didn't get him one of these. But I got a troll, the kid with the pad and the pencils and the eraser and trimmer. So I got the troll one for the girl, for my niece. And then I got the Buzz and Woody for my nephew. He's 4. So got those. To make their Easter baskets. And I picked this up. I thought this was cute. And this is the paper cutout decoration. And I haven't decided how I'm going to use it yet, or how I'm going to do my kitchen for like the summer. But I thought this was cute. Like, it has different cutouts in it. So it comes with, they had a lot of different ones, but I picked this one. And it's more for the summer, kind of like the watermelon and the lemon. Well, not lemon, but the strawberry, the drinks and all that. So I thought that was cute, and I think I can make something with these. I don't know, I really like this. So I just got that to see what I can do with it. So we'll see. And then I picked up this. Nothing, I'm sure everybody has picked up one of these for some baby in their family. But my nephew is about to turn 1 on March 12th. So he's about to have a birthday party. So for him to be learning stuff and something soft for his gums. So I picked this up for him. And I also picked him up his plate. This is for his birthday, not for Easter. And got him pack of spoons, and I also have bought him already a pair of some shoes and stuff from the shoe store, so this is just some extra to go with it. Okay, and then I got them, well, I picked up these to go in my plants for outside. I've never used these. So it says for beautiful household plants. So I did some like cilantro, some basil, some chives and things like that. And I planted them and set them in my, it's kind of like an herb garden. And I put in my kitchen in the windowsill. So I don't know how that's going to work out, but I'm going to use that and see how that goes, since I've never tried those. And I also got him this to put in, to make him a basket for his birthday. So I got him this. I got stuff everywhere. And then I went ahead and picked up their Easter basket. So this one is for the girl. I keep saying for the girl, for the boy, for my niece. I got her that. And I got one of the boys this one for Easter. And one of the boys this one for Easter. So we got them those. Stuff everywhere. Alright. And this is the wrong bag. That's not the bag that I need. And when I get ready to do my baskets, I'm going to do just like I did my Christmas baskets. I didn't get to do Valentine's Day baskets, unfortunately, because my mother passed, and I only made one basket for Valentine's Day, and that's my fiance. So, but I'm gonna show you guys how I put my Easter baskets together and do those. So I will do a video on those, and I do have some DIYs coming up for spring and summer and stuff like that. I got wreaths that I'm making, so I got stuff for that and different things. So, and I got Play-Doh to add to their Easter baskets as well. And this comes with 4, so I think I'm not going to give the baby one, so I'm just going to give the 2 bigger kids. I'm going to give them 2 each, because I don't think a 1-year-old should be playing with Play-Doh. That's my opinion, but I'm not going to give them one. So the 2 will get 2 each. And then I picked up this because I'm about to do my bar, like my smoothie bar, my slushy bar, like, so I'll have my blender and my icy maker machine and all that out. So I got this to go on top of that. I thought this was cute, so I'm gonna hang that somewhere over that. And I got the kids this candy, and it just says tiny jelly bird eggs. And I don't know how these taste because I've never tried it. Powdered candy carrots, I don't know. I just picked it up, so we'll see. And I picked up these to add maybe to my wreaths, because I'll be making a Easter wreath. I'm making 2 wreaths, one to go on my front door and one for my back. So my Easter, well, when I say my back, the back door means the inside of the back. So it'll be in the kitchen, so you'll see it inside the kitchen. So drop something. Yeah. So my spring wreath will be like spring and summer, so it'll be transitioning. So because you know, spring colors are more pastel, and summer colors are more darker tone, like darker purples and red, pinks and greens and stuff like that, but it'll blend. So, and then the last thing I got the kids were some bubbles. So, and then I will give each of them a bubble, and then that'll be like, I'll probably give the baby one, put one in his birthday thing. So I think that is everything that I have. I also did some flower arrangements. I did 3 for spring, and I've done them already. Well, they're for spring and summer. I've done them already, and I'm sorry I did not do a video of those either, but I will do a walkthrough of when I get everything together and show you guys everything I did and tell you how I did everything. Like I said, I haven't completed everything, so when I get everything together and done, I'll show you guys. And I do have, like I said, a lot more stuff, DIYs and things to do, so I have all that together. So I'm slowly coming back, trying to get more videos put together and done. So, but like I said, if anybody wants to do friend mail, just email me or leave a comment on any video. I always respond to every comment, no matter what. So thanks for watching.